America won't tell us what to manage and how to manage ourselves. America itself is not in managing themselves. They are on out of order. America, they are out of order. They can't come here in Africa and tell us how to manage ourselves, how to run things ourselves. So I want to say to each and African young men, young women out there, you must know that in Limpopo, South Africa, in Limpopo, those white people of America, they are mining our land. They are mining our ancestors' land. They are mining the land of which God has given us. And we are not enjoying the inheritance of our land. Today, today as we speak, there are 32 mines in Limpopo. But if you go to Limpopo and check what is happening in Limpopo, Limpopo is the poor of the poorest province in South Africa. Why? Because those white people, America is taking the diamonds and the gold of Limpopo to inheritance themselves, to enrich themselves. So today we want to say that you must be alert about this. You must know that when you are in Limpopo, you don't have a job, you are suffering, you are starved, you stay in hungry. You must know that there are people of those they are using, they are digging, and they going to dig your land until it dies, until your land come to die, because those mines won't last forever. So I now urge you to wake up Limpopo, and start to owning those mines. It doesn't matter, you can close the mines now. You can start closing the mines now. So I want each and every Limpopo young man and woman to start on acting, and to start on showing up that the mines will not work. Those people are taking 100% of that mines, and then Limpopo province is benefiting none. They are not enjoying their ancestors' heritage. Are you feeling me? Are you understanding what I'm saying? When you go to Botswana land, when you go to Botswana land, the American, the London is still digging the mine of Botswana land. The Botswana are not gaining anything. The Botswana are only taking 50% of only those mines. And then the American is taking 85% of those mines. But today, they are still saying that they come to our continent of Africa and tell us about democracy. What do they know about democracy? While America has no peace, America is still have no peace. They are still fighting with other countries. So I want to say to you today, America won't tell us what to do and when not to do. You are not the head of us. We have our own mind. We have our own things to think ourselves. The only thing now we want is to take back our things, is to bring back our things. It's time now that we own our own things. So I'm urging to everyone. I'm urging to Botswana land. I'm urging to Limpopo land. The Bapedi kingdom are suffering. The Bapedi kingdom, they are unemployment. The young Bapedi kingdom who are in the Bapedi region, they are unemployment. They do crime because of their stay in hunger. So I'm saying to everyone, start to act. If we have to close the mind, we will close the mind and own the mind ourselves. It's time now so that we take action for our own things. We produce our own things. we produce our own things. It's time now. It's time. It can be possible that 32 mines in Limpopo, and then in Limpopo, when you see Limpopo, Limpopo is a very poor province in a country. And while it's supposed to be the most richest province in the country, we could build cities in Limpopo. We could build big houses in Limpopo, big businesses, big things of which other people from from African in our continent can come and visit and and bring and grow the economy of Limpopo, of the Bapedi region. So now we are saying it's time to own our things, and the time start now.